Sniper Systems and Solutions, your trusted partner for comprehensive hardware and software solutions. At Sniper Systems and Solutions, we understand that every business faces unique challenges. That's why we provide tailored software solutions to help you achieve your goals. For architecture and construction, streamline design with products like AutoCAD, Revit, SketchUp, KeyShot, and more for high-precision rendering. In media and entertainment, unleash creativity with products like Adobe Creative Cloud, Autodeskmaya, and more for stunning visuals. For IT and cybersecurity, secure your business with products like Microsoft Azure, Yubico, Jamf, Cisco Networking Tool. For gaming and development, bring ideas to life with products like Unity, Unreal Engine, and more, backed by Sniper's software expertise. At Sniper, we go beyond providing software. We're your partner in integration, training, and support, ensuring your success. Empower your business with software solutions from Sniper. Contact us today